Welcome back to my channel. Today we're drawing a parrot, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is, of course, you need something to draw with. We are going to draw, we're going to start out with the beak. Let's go ahead and draw a curved line right over here. And I'm just going to bring it down a little bit more. Let's go back up and draw a curved line. We're going to connect it to the line we just drew and add a dot. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw a curved line going down. And we're going to draw the rest of the beak right over here. Draw a curved line, followed by another curved line. And we just drew the beak. When you're ready, I'm going to go in and draw the eye right over here. Curved line, and curved line right here. Now, I'm using a Sharpie, so I'm just going to go in and fill the inside of the eye right over here. And let's go ahead and draw a curved line right here. Now we're pretty much done with the head. We are just going to move on to the rest of the body. So I like to just draw a big curved line going down. Let me zoom this out so you guys can see. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw a curved line right over here. Now, I'm going to draw the two wings on both sides. So we're just going to draw a curved line here and then go back up. Now I'm going to continue this down. I want to start by drawing the shape of some of the feathers. So I'm going to draw the letter U and do the same thing on this side. So just drawing curved lines like that. Now we're going to go in and add a little bit more detail. So we're going to add more curved lines up here and more down here. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on this side. And right over here. When you're done, we are going to add curved lines going all the way down and connect to this line right here. And this, I'm just going to connect it this way. Now we have feathers that are going in a different direction. And so I'm just going to go in and draw these curved lines for my bird. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. But I want to connect them to the points right here. Just like that. When you're done, let's go ahead and draw a curved line going down. And if it goes off the paper, that's okay. Draw another curved line down here for the tail feather. And we're going to draw curved lines going down. Now we need to add the feet. So let's go ahead and draw a curved line here. Curved line going this way, like it's perched on a tree branch. Then draw another curved line here. Go back. And we're going to go back up. And let's go ahead and draw the bird sitting on a branch. So I'm just going to draw a curved line here and another line back here. Now we're just going to continue this line. I'm going to go all the way up. And you can make it as wavy as you want, but I'm just using a line, not a straight line, but it has a little bit of curve to it. And then I think I'm going to add another line for the branch right over here and go all the way up. And I'm just going to finish this off and make it skinnier as I go out. Down here for my feather, it went off the paper, so that's okay. If yours just goes off the paper, that's fine too. Now let's go ahead and add in a small, tiny branch here. And for the leaf, we're just going to draw a curved line here and a curved line here. Let's go ahead and add that center vein. And I think I'm going to add a couple more. So I'm going to go to this side and I'm going to draw a curved line and another curved line. Add that center line. Curved line, curved line. We can also go in and maybe add a flower. I'm going to add my flower over here. I'm going to add a circle right here. And then let's go ahead and draw curved line, curved line, curved line, curved, curved. And then we are going to add another layer, but the petal is going to be a little bit larger and it's going to go in between these two smaller ones. Petal, add another petal, and we're going to add one more here. I'm going to go in and draw some curved lines right here. And let's add another leaf going this way. This one's going to be behind the branch, and add my center line. Let's add some here, two curved lines and a line. And then if you want, you can have a branch coming up from the top. So let's go ahead and add another line for the branch, connect it to this one. And I'm just going to add more leaves again. Curved line, curved line. Let's add one more here, curved line, curved line, and my center line. Now you guys can go in and add as many as you want. I'm going to probably add one more here. Curved line, curved line. And this is just going to go off my paper. And right here, I can also have this go off my paper. Just kind of. So you should have something like this. Again, if you want to add more branches coming this way, you can certainly do that. I might add a smaller leaf here. So let's go in and add some smaller ones. Curved line, curved line. I'm going to go back on my bird and I'm going to add a little section right here, because sometimes if you look at a parrot, they have different colors, and so this is just a section of a different color, and then this one over here can be a totally different color. So I'm just making that section obvious. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and add curved lines all over my branches. We're going to do a little line design here. And let's go back down here and draw curved lines. Thanks for drawing with me. If I'm going too fast or you missed a step, you guys can always go back and rewatch this. Just going in, filling in the branch. It can be kind of relaxing. You kind of get lost in thought sometimes. We're going to go over to this branch and keep adding in those curved lines. You don't have to do this part. I'm just doing it for added texture. Sometimes it makes our art stand out a little bit. Well, I think that is it. If you want, you can also go into your leaves and add a little bit more detail like this. I'm just adding the letter V like that, and right here. Okay guys, I'll be back with the colored version. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be right back. So as you can see, I've colored in my parrot. It's super colorful, and I used a lot of values for this one. I actually went ahead and used a different brand for my markers this time. This one's called Tau Tree, and I can link the item in the description below. But I really like these because not only are they double-sided with a thin side and a more thicker chiseled side, it was really easy to go in and create a sense of realism using values and using the different shades of green. So I definitely recommend those if you're looking for something less expensive, a little bit more affordable. They just feel really nice when you're using them. Yeah. Thanks so much for drawing with me and for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.